Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our review of Zapier versus Make. Which platform is better for automations? These are two of the most popular no-code automation tools on the market. And today I'm going to dive deep into their strengths and weaknesses of each platform, helping you decide which one is best suited for your automation needs. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of when to use Zapier, when to choose Make.com, and how to leverage these tools to streamline your business process and boost your productivity. So no-code automation tools have become so crucial in today's business landscape. Such platforms allow you to connect different applications and automate repetitive tasks without writing a single line of code. And this can save you a lot of time, reduce errors, and free up your team to focus on more strategic work. Starting with Zapier, often considered the grandfather of no-code automation tools. Zapier shines in its simplicity and user-friendliness. It's absolutely perfect for beginners or those new to automation. You'll notice that you have an intuitive interface that makes it easy to create basic workflows quickly, and it offers step-by-step guides and templates for common automations. In addition to all of this, there's app integrations, so it boasts the largest app directory in the market with over 3,000 app integrations. If you are using popular business tools such as Slack, chances are Zapier supports them. There's direct integrations, which means less need for API knowledge, and regular updates and new app additions to keep the platform relevant. If you're looking for a quick setup, then Zapier is ideal for creating simple linear workflows. It's great for automating basic tasks between 2 or 3 applications, and Zaps, which is Zapier's term for automations, can be set up in mere minutes. However, moving on to the limitations, I would say it is less suitable for complex multi-step automations, and it can become pretty expensive as you scale your automations. Finally, as you would notice from Make.com, they would have limited data transformation capabilities. And for the pricing, they do offer a free plan with limited features, just so you get a feel for the platform. The paid plans start at $20 per month. They do offer multi-step Zaps and unlimited premium applications, webhooks, and email support. But if you want to really scale up as your business grows, then you can opt in for the team plans, which come in at around $69 per month. And if you need even more automations than that as your business grows, then they do offer an enterprise plan that you would have to contact for pricing. The pricing would be based on the number of tasks and the complexity of automations. Moving on, we've got Make.com. When it comes to Make.com features, we've got advanced capabilities. It absolutely excels in creating complex multi-step workflows, allows for branching logic and intricate automation scenarios. It can handle thousands of actions in a single automation and offers powerful data transformation and manipulation tools. There is also the visual workflow builder, as you would have unique visual interface that makes it easier to understand complex workflows. I would say it allows for a more intuitive grasp of how data flows between applications if you care about that, and the circular design, which helps in creating non-linear branching automations. As for the flexibility, it is better suited for working with APIs and webhooks, offers more control over data manipulation within workflows, and includes built-in tools for JSON and XML, HTTP requests, and so much more. Another super important aspect is the cost effectiveness. It is generally more affordable than Zapier, especially as you scale. It offers a free plan with more generous limits than Zapier's free tier that allows up to 1,000 ops per month. The first paid plan starts at $9 per month, allows you up to 10,000 ops per month, and if you need more within this plan, then you can definitely go for higher ops per month, and the price would keep going up obviously. Their most expensive plan is $29 per month for the teams, which is also for 10,000 ops per month. However, while this platform is very powerful, it can be more challenging for beginners to master. Definitely requires more time investment to fully leverage its capabilities, and it does offer extensive documentation and supportive community to help users. Though the application integrations are not as extensive as Zapier, it still offers a wide range of application integrations, up to 1,000 applications. And in my opinion, it provides more flexibility in working with apps that don't have direct integrations. So when should you choose Zapier? Zapier is likely your best bet if you're new to automation and you want to start simple, if you need to quickly set up basic workflows between popular applications, and if you value ease of use over advanced features. If you're comfortable with a slightly higher price point for simplicity and direct integrations, then you should probably opt in for Zapier. However, Make.com might be the better choice if you're looking to create complex multi-step automations, if you're scaling your automations and need a more cost-effective solution, and especially if you prefer a visual representation of your workflows. So if you're willing to invest time in learning a more powerful tool, then definitely go for Make.com. Additionally, it's worth noting that you don't have to choose just one tool. Many advanced users would combine different tools to create the most efficient systems. For instance, you could use make.com as your main hub, connecting it to custom Python scripts, AI models, APIs, and webhooks. And then use Zapier for more simple approaches. And this hybrid approach would allow you to leverage the strengths of each platform. Of course, it would be more expensive for you, but you might use Zapier for quick, simple automations while relying on make.com for more complex workflows. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.